friends! Hi! Welcome back to my channel! My name is Gemma, if you didn't already know, and if you did already know, my name is Gemma, and today we have another unboxing video for you. Yay! Today we're gonna unbox, or I guess unpackage. It came in a package, but we're gonna unpackage Angelic Pretty's My Favorite Room JSK in gray with the matching headbow and the matching socks. This dress I really loved. The print, the color, and like the sweetheart neckline. I don't know, I thought it was like super cute. You guys know that I love Angelic Pretty. I'm obsessed. So yeah, but that's no surprise. I got this set from Lace Market, so it's a secondhand set. And this one was actually, I think, new with tags, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I have the package here, and we're gonna open it. Oh, by the way, grandma sweater. Just wanted to insert a little grandma sweater appreciation. This one was actually like hand sewn, and the collar was like hand sewn and stuff too. All of this embroidery and stuff was like hand done by somebody. I don't know, I thrifted it and I was like, I appreciate this. This is fantastic. I feel wonderful. Let's start unpackaging. Here is the package. It is so small, like it's concerningly small. How did you fit a dress and a headbow and socks in this? Like, I don't feel where there could possibly be a headbow. I honestly don't know how they fit it in this, but we'll find out. Cute swizzers. Ooh, swizzers. We got a cute swizzers today. Same. I'm just gonna get the little corner here. It's pink inside. It's pink. Oh, well, they probably put it in a bag. It's pink and polka dotty. Polka dotty. Getting a little difficult. Oh, there we go. Oh, is that an Angelic Pretty bag? All right. How do you fit it in this? I don't believe it. Like, I'm still like... All right, well. Oh, this is a really big Angelic Pretty bag. Like, this is like a hefty boy. I don't believe that it's all in here. Like, I don't believe it. Like, it's just way too small of a package. Well, that looks right. Here's the inside. I'm still very curious about this headbow. Like, where's this headbow? Unless it's a squishy headbow, like, yay! Here are the socks. These are the matching My Favorite Room socks with like the fluffy frou-frou. One side it has like crosses and, sorry bag, crosses and then crosses in hearts. And the other side is like a little cross corset. So yeah, that's really cute, and I think this can go with like anything, like any coordinate with white in it, so I think it's super versatile, and I like to have the full set of things, so that's exciting. I'm still very much wondering about this headbow situation, because in the picture it looks like a really sturdy headbow, but I think I just found it. Is it this? It's one of these headbows that like wraps around your head, which I used to love, but then I cut my hair and now they don't stay on my head. It looks super cute, right? Like, it's adorable, but when you have short hair, it'll like do this and like... I just didn't even think about that. Like, I didn't think that it was gonna be a stretchy headband. Oh no. It's not a huge problem, but it's just like, oh, okay, so if I wanna go out and about, like, it can't be like that. If you guys have any suggestions on how to like make this work, ooh, maybe I can glue it onto, maybe not glue, but maybe I can like attach it to like an actual like headband and like put it underneath this and then stick it on there, and then like that will grip to my head. If you have any ideas, please let me know, because I want to be able to wear this headbow, but I want it to stay on my head. Ooh, I'm opening it upside down. The neckline is so cute. Sorry, I'm just, that's perfect. This is like exactly my style when it comes to Lolita. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know that there was this corset lacing back here. This is perfect. First of all, this neckline though, it's adorable. It's like the sweetheart neckline, but then you got like this, I think they call them modesty panels or whatever, full of like lace and polka dot lace. And the print, like, don't even get me started. This is just so, I just really love this print. We've got feathers, we've got pillows. It's My Favorite Room, so it's like, you got things that would be in a room, I suppose. There's a rose, there's a cat here. Okay, cat. cats. Look, this cat is right there. It's smiling. Ooh, even crosses with roses on them and lace and like picture frames. And here's the back. Okay, I didn't even realize that there was this beautiful corset lacing in the back. That is so beautiful. This ribbon is gorgeous. And this kind of baby doll cut, I'm just like, I love it. Yay, okay. All right, so I think I'm gonna go and try it on now, and I will be back in a second. Okay, so before this dress came in, I thought this blouse was like gonna look kind of cute with it, but now looking at it, I think it's a little bit too like warm toned. I don't know, I mean, you can tell me what you think. I'm like really happy about this one. Like, I really like it. Like, I wanna cry. How am I so emotional about this? I don't know. I mean, I've kind of really appreciated Lolita fashion for a really, really long time. And I just like told myself like I kind of couldn't. Well, financially, I couldn't. And financially, I still kind of can't. I also didn't have a lot of friends who were into it, so, and I don't know, I think for a while I just like, usually I would say I'm pretty confident, but sometimes, you know, sometimes you get those days where you're like, am I even pretty enough to wear Lolita, or am I cute enough? Do I look dolly enough? And none of that matters. Like, it's not about that. It's just about the fashion and enjoying frills. It's not about like being attractive, and it's just about like having a fun time and wearing what you want for you, not for anybody else. So if you ever sit there and you wonder like, am I pretty enough to do this? Am I good enough to do this? Like, yes, you are. It's not about looking like a doll. It's just about wearing something that makes you happy for yourself. So, but anyway, so yeah, that's the dress, and I really like it. I can't stop looking at it. It's got a lot of my favorite motifs, and like, I love these muted colors. I'm super, super happy about this. Yay! Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoy all of my unboxing videos. You can check it out in the description or like the end screen of this video. I'll probably link them all. But yeah, I have a lot of fun doing them, and so I hope that you enjoy them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like me and or my content, consider subscribing. It would be fun for us to be friends and hang out a little bit more often. Follow my Instagram cause why not? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling. If you have a birthday coming up, I hope that you have a good birthday, and if you sneezed during this video or any time after, bless you. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video, so bye!